What's up guys? So this is Jim from High-End Trout Fishing. Today I'm here at one of my favorite lake called Georgetown Lake. So this place has been closed about 6 months because of the COVID-19, but finally I'm here. So this lake has like a lot of brown trout, rainbow trout, cutthroat trout. There's a couple different kind of trout in here, so I'm very excited. And this is my first time doing kayak fishing in this lake, so hopefully I get a lot of trout today. I know I'm gonna get a fish today, but I want a lot of fish, big one too. So let's go get some fish. Let's do it. Wow. 안녕하세요. 자, 오늘은 제가 제일 좋아하는 저수지 중에 하나, 조지타운 콜로라도에 있는 저수지인데요. 여기는 정말로 뭐랄까 제가 많이 왔던 곳이에요. 그래서 여기를 되게 잘 알고요. 그리고 여기 송어 종류가 되게 많아요. 뭐 무지개 송어, 브라운 송어, 그리고 뭐 컷스로 송어, 여러가지 많이 잡았어요. 크기도 괜찮은 것도 많이 나오고. 뭐 오늘은 여기서 처음으로 카야킹, 보팅 하는 건데요. 보팅 낚시. 자, 한번 잡으러 갑시다. Let's go. 아, 좋네. 후, 역시 선물이다. 차갑네. Water is cold. I like it. I'm great. How are you, sir?
Good.
Oh man.
Literally just now, I'm still getting bites over by that bridge.
Oh really?
Back and forth.
Back and forth?
I caught like 20 today, bro.
Oh bro, nice.
Yeah, I got a couple keepers. You know,
Keepers.
That guy.
Very nice, man.
Spoon, your guy's going away though.
Okay, that's alright.
Yeah, but on a spoon.
Yeah.
Purple. I was hitting him hard.
When the Castmaster?
Yeah.
Yep.
That guy right there.
Perfect.
And then I was on a fly too.
Hell yeah.
I lost a 3 or 4 pounder over by those rocks over there.
Are you serious?
I had it right next to the boat. I got this caught up in here and I lost it.
Are you serious? Wow, man.
This was like this big, bro. I swear to God.
3 pound.
3-4 pound, yeah.
That's crazy, bro. How you lost it? Just jump off?
Yeah, and I had too much slack. He dove down and then dove back up and then just spit the hook.
Oh no, man. Yeah, I just got my kayak about 2 weeks ago.
Same.
Yeah, so I'm so excited.
Yeah, I decked it out with, they got 2 rod holders here. It looks like you're ready to go too.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
I'd say just stay, don't even fuck with over here.
Oh really? I usually caught a lot of fish over there with the brown trout too.
I caught a brown over here, but all rainbows. I didn't catch any browns at all.
Oh yeah?
Except for that one.
So they're...
All day.
All day?
Just from this rock right here and this way. You
Jesus.
know, staying about where people can cast.
Okay.
You know, a little bit further out.
Okay.
Just hitting. Just bites all the way.
They're in the deeper part or they're on the shallow?
Shallow.
Shallow?
They're on top.
They're on the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's really weedy. Have you been out here before?
I did a lot last year, yeah.
It's weedy. It's a lot of weeds.
Oh, so has to be on the top, right?
Yeah, don't go too deep or you'll literally catch weeds all day.
Oh no.
All day, it's just this bullshit.
That's good looking fish right there. That's 13 to 14 inches, right?
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah. Yeah, this was nice and fat.
This one's fatty, yeah, hard.
Yeah, I bet this is super delicious.
Yeah.
Lots of oils, like fish oils and stuff. Oh my god.
But most, I caught a little bit smaller than this a lot all day today, and then like 3 or 4 I caught about this size. I threw them back in the morning.
Yeah.
Because I thought I'd catch bigger, but then towards the end of the day when the bites started slowing down, I was like, I better keep a couple fish, you know?
Anyway, thank you for the tip though. I appreciate it, man.
Purple. I've
Purple.
been catching them on purple all year.
All year?
All year. Everywhere I go, purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Got you.
Hell yeah.
Spoons and
spoons and
the little flies,
fly
right?
Too, so.
Perfect.
Be easy, man. Be safe. Don't forget, you got a life vest?
Yeah, I do, right there.
Yeah, someone died out here 2 years ago with no life vest.
Oh, fuck no.
Yeah, no. Be careful, the winds get really high.
Thank you for your care, man.
Yeah.
All right, finally I'm on the water. Okay, put my fish finder on. What a nice day out. My sun covers. 5 feet this. All right, let's go get some fish. Say purple. Setup change. Setup change. Na, 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 na. So, let's go for the Rapala countdown. My favorite lure ever. Yes. Oh, nice one. Nice brown. Good looking brown. All right, fish number one. Good looking brown. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful brown. See you, buddy. Let's go. Healthy brown. All right, first fish was a dynamic lure HD rainbow trout color with the Daiwa Steez there. Amazing. This lure made in Colorado. That's what I know. Oh, another heat. Oh, fish on. Nice. Second fish. Hell yeah. Please. Oh, this is a nice one. Ooh. I feel heavy on this one. Oh, another brown. Is it a rainbow? The brown. The brown. Nice. Second fish. Oh, good looking brown. Nice. Man, I feel really heavy on this. I don't know why. Alright, let me take it out for you, Mr. Brown Trout. Man, you are look so sexy, bro. You are look so sexy brown. Man, this lake has a really sexy browns. That's for sure. 2 browns all day. Alright, second fish of the day. Good looking brown. So beautiful. Oh yeah. Sexy brown. See you, buddy. Yes. Once again with the Dynamic Lure HD, made in Colorado, brothers. Dynamic Lure. Fish on. Yes. Yeah, fish number 3. Another one, by the way. Oh, it's a rainbow. Fuck yeah. Rainbow. Yeah. Fuck yeah. It's a rainbow trout. Alright. Fish number 3, rainbow. Good looking rainbow. Yes. See you, buddy. Alright, this lure is really good lure. You can catch anything, any species. You can catch like bass, crappies, trout. Amazing. Alright, so I got this lure from one of my subscribers introducing these lures. This is the first time I'm trying this. I've never fished trout with this worm before, so let's see how it works. Hopefully I'm doing the right action. I'm gonna do some different lure. Let's try the silver micro minnow 16-ounce jig head. Hopefully this silver one works. Alright, here we go. Hopefully this one works. Let it sink. I don't know how to do this one action. Try the slow retrieve. Let me just throw the retrieve. It has a tail kicking. What kind of color I have to use? Let's do pink. Pink one. Trout's favorite color. 안 되겠군. 안 되네. Sorry, man. I cannot use you. 안 되겠어, 걔네가. Sorry, brother. I don't know how to use this one. I gotta watch his video a little bit more often when he uses this big. Yeah. I'll try later. Finally. Woohoo! Nice. Little one. Little fish. Hello, little fish. Little beautiful brown. Beautiful. Beautiful brown. Nice. See you, buddy. I got that with flat reggae. Right here. Flat reggae. Little jerkbait, the gold and the orange and green. Fish on. Oh, nice one. Definitely nice one. Oh, look at this drag sound. Oh my god. Drag sound. Oh, this clicking sound makes me excited all the time. But small one. Another brown. Another rainbow. Goodbye, buddy. See you. Another one with this one. The reggae flat. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, nice one. Oh, this is heavy one. Oh, this is heavy one. Oh my god, let's get this fish. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Nice round, for sure. Nice round. Man, tons of brown trouts right here. Yeah. Man, I think this is the biggest one I got today. Fuck yeah. Picture. Alright. Look at this beauty. Of a 12-incher, I think. Let me check how big this one is. Alright, here's about a pounder. Nice. Let's see how big you are. You're 13-incher. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna let this guy go. See you, buddy. With the gold and the orange, the flat reggae, little jerkbait. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on, nice. Another one. With the same lure, gold one. Another brown. Oh, this is a nice one too. Another brown. Look at this beauty. Nice. It's about 12-incher, I think. Haha. He's not happy. Let him go. He's not happy. Go. Alright, I'm gonna try the different setup now. I caught too many fish with this. If I caught the same, if I caught a lot of fish with the same lure, it's not fun for me. So I'm trying to use the different lure all the time. This place gold color really working really well. Using a couple of gold color still works great, and the natural color, the dynamic lure HD, that working really great. Hopefully I caught another one with that one. Sometimes slow, like steady retrieve works really great. Sometimes works jerking and twitching action works really great with that little jerkbait. I show you guys one more time with the little jerkbait. Cast it out and let it take about 2-3 seconds and start retrieving. So retrieving, jerking, retrieving, jerking, retrieving, jerking, retrieving, jerking, like same action, but don't do it really fast. And then, oh, fish one. Oh man, never mind. See that action? Sometimes there's like staying, like a stay action, like a jerking, stay, jerking, stay. This action, fish should hit it. Fish one. Another one. See that? This place. Oh, this is nice one. This is nice one for sure. Oh, another brown again. Another beautiful brown. Beautiful brown again. See you, buddy. Oh man, this reservoir has tons of brown. So, like I said, that action makes the fish get the reaction bite, because when I shaking it, when I jerking it, it makes the reflect the blinking action. What am I saying? I don't know how to say it. It's called blinking action. I just want a big one large big one. So there was a fish number 8, I guess. Alright, I just missed the filming. I just got the one more fish, another brown, about 12 incher. He's not happy, I'm letting him go home. Alright, see you, buddy. See you. There was a fish number, what was it? I forgot. Fish number 9, I think? I think 9. Oh well. Short. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yes. Nice one. You. This is a really nice one. Ooh. Biggest one today, I think. Check this out. Gorgeous fish. I think this is about 14 incher. Let's see. Let's see how big you are. $13 and a half. The biggest one of the day. Nice. It's about 1 pound, 4 ounces. Oh yeah. Very nice. All right. See you, buddy. Nice. Fish on, yeah. Another one. Oh, this clicking sound. I love it. Oh, nice fight. Very feisty. Come here, bitch. Come here. Another brown. See you, buddy. Oh man, let's not count that one because I got him on the back. It's not counted. This place, I feel like mostly these fishes working at this reservoir for reaction bites with that jerking action. Oh well, do it again. Oh, fish on. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Come here. Oh, nice with that one. Brown. See? And it's jerking action. The reaction bite works really well. This one. Alright. Good looking brown. See you, buddy. Okay. I got that fish with flat reggae. This place, this one works really well. The flat reggae. Well, different color, black and gold, and the purple. Like you said, purple one works great. Oh, fish on. Ah, man. Damn it. Oh, fish on. Nice. Oh, nice. Yeah. Wow, come on. Yes. Oh, this is feisty, really feisty. Hope this one's a big one. Hopefully.
This is the biggest one. Oh man. Gotta see it. I'll see your face. Oh, this is a nice one. Got caught on this. I think I got him in the back. Come on. Oh man, come on. Oh man, this is a nice one.
Oh man, I got him on the back. That sucks. Damn it. Oh, big one. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. I got him on the back. That sucks. Here's the biggest one. Look at him. Man, I wish I caught him with the mouth. Anyway. Oh, I forgot. I got that fish with flat reggae again. Nice. Fish on. Nice. Another one with the flat reggae yield. Fuck yeah. Yep, I got him in the mouth. Yes. Fuck yeah. This one's counted. Yes. And nice and fat one. Fuck yeah. Oh, this is a nice one. For sure. This one's counted. This one's counted. Check this out. Brown. Come on. Is 13 inches, it's not a big one. 13 and a half was a big one. Alright, see you, buddy. But he's fat. He's very fat. That was fish number 14, I think. I got that with the same lure. Hell yeah. Right here. Let's check the line. Still okay? Because I don't want to break this lure. Maybe two more fish. I'm done. Fish on. Yes. Nice. Another one. They keep hitting on it. Yeah. It's a rainbow, I think. Yeah, it's a rainbow. Oh no, it's a brown. Man, this reservoir has a tons of brown. Fish number 15, I think. Another brown. Beautiful. Yeah. See you, buddy. Oh, now finally broke off. I'm lucky guy, man. See that? It broke off. I'm lucky. I saved this lure. I'm saving this lure. This is the reason why we have to check the line every catch, because you never know, you lost fish or you lost lure. Maybe you lost both of them. That's no good. So this is a really good lesson. I almost lost my lure, but I got a fish and then I got my lure back. Because you see that the line got broke off. Oh, fish on. Nice. Nice. Another one. Oh, keep coming in. Keep coming. Nice. Hopefully this is big one. Yeah, I feel like this is heavy one. Yes. No, I got him on the back. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, he tangled up with my line. Nope, this is counted because I got him on the mouth. Oh, this is a pretty long one. I think this is a 14-incher one. This is a really fun day, and this brown trout is really feisty. I love it. Let's check how big is this one. Let's check. Let's check. Come here, baby. 13 and a half, still same. So it's not a big one, but you're still position number 1. With another one. Alright, 13-incher. Nice and fat. Brown. Nice. See you, buddy. See ya. Yeah. Okay. That was a good fight. One last fish. I'm good then. Fish on. Oh, that was a nice one. Oh, you see the splash? Oh, it's not big. Wow, I think this is the biggest one. I think this is the biggest one so far. Okay. Oh, big one's coming out from here. Yes, this is the biggest one. 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Hell yeah. Nice. Biggest one day so far. He's about 2 pounds of 42 ounces. 1 pound 42 ounces. Not bad. Perfect. Whew, that was a nice one. Nice and big fat one. Oh, yeah. Maybe one more fish. Alright, time to go home. So 14 and a half was my biggest one today. Hell yeah. That biggest one trout with this one. One of my favorite lure. So today 3 lures works really great. I'll show you guys later. Okay, so today I don't get any fish with this one. Maybe I should more try often because I don't know how to do the action on this. So today this 4 lure works really great. So this one, alright, these 2 right here works really great in this lake. And dynamic lure, La Pala Countdown also works really great today too. But at the night time, like after 4 o'clock, this gold color works really well. So this is a flat reggae. I got this one from the eBay. You can get it from the eBay, but they are gonna shipping from the Japan, I think. So it takes a while. But these 2, you can get it from anywhere. La Pala Countdown and then Dynamic Lure HD. These 4 lures, amazing. Okay guys, so today was an awesome day. This reservoir has this lake has so many brown trout. Mostly I caught brown trout, I think. I caught only 3 rainbow and then was I think 16, 15 brown. And then the biggest one I got was 14 incher. There was a good looking brown too. Man, this reservoir is really fun. Lake. Okay, I think that's for today. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, please. And that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next video. 자, 오늘은 고기 18마리 정도 잡은 것 같은데요. 제가 세보질 않았네. 자, 오늘은 브라운 송어를 한 15마리 정도 잡은 것 같고, 한 3마리 레인보우 트라웃, 무지개 송어 그 정도 잡은 것 같아요. 꽤 많이 잡았죠. 너무 재밌었어요. 손맛도 좋았고 애들 싸우는 게 너무 괜찮았던 것 같아요. 애들이 힘이 좋아가지고 싸움이 좀 오래 갔던 것 같아요. 조금 해도. 오늘 제일 큰 거 잡은 게 14인치 짜리였고요. 그리고 나머지는 뭐 13햄, 뭐 12인치 14하면은 거의 내가 봤을 때 4자 될 거예요. 4자 송어 정도. 아무튼 오늘 하루 이렇게 끝났고요. 시청해주셔서 감사하고 그리고 다음 비디오에 뵙겠습니다. 자, 바이.